Welcome to Freedom Forest, guys, the 3-acre edible oasis that we're creating here in the south of England, where we like to try lots of new things and push the boundaries with what we can grow using permaculture and no-dig methods. Absolutely no chemicals, weed killers or synthetic fertilisers, just what nature provides. Today's video, we're going to share with you the beauty and joy of harvesting, which has got to be every gardener's favourite moments. We hope that this video gives you some ideas and inspirations for things that you can be growing for yourself as well. The vines have died back quite early on some of our spaghetti squash in this Three Sisters bed. These ones weren't strong plants, but the stems are dry and hard, so I'm going to harvest them before the mice sniff out the ripe seeds. We'll harvest these ones another day. Next to our Three Sisters, we've got our main potato beds. And Dan's been busy harvesting our main crop potatoes over the last couple of weeks. He's harvested our Sarpo Unas, our Sarpo Blue Danubes, and my all-time favourite for flavour and density, pink fir apples. Trombone courgettes for the first time this year, and I have to say they have been amazing. They're so much fun and they are really prolific too. And they've been our saviour this year because our normal outdoor courgettes haven't grown very well at all, I think due to lack of water. This amazing variety can apparently be grown outdoors as well, we've since found out. So we'll be trying some outside as well as in the polytunnel again next year. We've been harvesting a few outdoor courgettes this year too, but they haven't been anywhere near as prolific as they usually are. This particular variety of melon is another first for us this year. It's called Collective Farms Woman, and it's a melon originally from Ukraine. It's got really crisp, pale coloured flesh and is much more like a honeydew melon, we think. We've been really enjoying these, and as long as we can get the seed, we will definitely be growing them again next year. Murphy loves melons too, and I'm sure he can sniff out when we've got ripe melons in the polytunnel, as he always sits waiting at the door. We grow our favourite variety of cherry tomato. It's a German heirloom variety called Riesentrube, and that translates to giant grape. As you can see, they have these massive trusses of flowers, and when they get going they really produce a lot of tomatoes. We seem to have a yellow tomato that's snuck in here though as well, so I'm not sure where that one's come from. And now I'm just grabbing some fresh basil because everybody knows that basil loves tomatoes. Over in Tunnel 1, I'm harvesting cucumbers and aubergines. These Armenian cucumbers, or yard-long cucumbers, are another hugely prolific cropper. They taste like a cucumber and are called a cucumber, but they're actually a muskmelon. We'll soon be harvesting our first watermelons from this polytunnel, and we've also been really enjoying experimenting with okra for the first time this year. This year is definitely about celebrating the things that have gone well for us, where it's been such a difficult growing season. So we're really trying to focus more on that. And some of our apple trees are doing amazing, and our autumn raspberries are just getting going. So I'm going to start harvesting some of those now, ready for my apple cider vinegar. But this little apple tree here was covered in beautiful red apples, and they just disappeared somewhere along the line. But we have got 3 other trees in our food forest, so that gives us a really good crop of apples still, so we're really grateful for that. We grow red and yellow raspberries in our food forest here. People seem surprised when they see yellow raspberries for the first time, but we've got used to them now and they're just normal to us. They taste exactly the same as ordinary raspberries. Some years though the yellow ones fruit better, and some years the red ones fruit better. Overall though, we find that autumn raspberries crop better for us, and they usually ripen at a time when the birds are less active, so there's usually more to harvest and store for the winter months. And last but certainly not least for our harvest list today is beetroots. And our multi-sown beetroots have been amazing this season. We've got 3 different varieties: Boltardi, Golden Beets and Courgette. They're one crop that still seems to be able to thrive in the drought that we've had, and we've barely watered them. At one stage I thought it was our only outdoor crop that was going to do well this year. There were times this season when I wondered if anything was going to grow and crop properly at all. We went into this season with unusually dry soil, and then we continued to have crazy heats and droughts right throughout the growing season. But it makes harvesting all these beautiful, abundant vegetables even more gratifying and delicious right now. The power of diversity proving itself yet again. Nature is so resilient, despite what we throw at her with all the crazy things that we do in this world. It just reminds me that she does hold all the power, and for that I have a huge amount of respect. We hope that you've enjoyed seeing some of our amazing late summer harvests here at Freedom Forest, and we hope that this inspires you to grow some beautiful fresh food that you can enjoy yourself too. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as this really helps us and it helps more people be able to enjoy our videos too. If you have subscribed, click the bell button to get notifications every time we put a new video out, and we will see you here again soon. Peace and plants.